In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp online status. It's pretty simple, so let's dive in. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android smartphone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Tap Settings. Then tap Privacy. Tap Last Seen and Online. Select Nobody. Under Who Can See When I'm Online, tap Same as Last Seen. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.